A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun.
Hi guys, so last week I went and got some of these free pots that I saw on OfferUp. Actually, no, OfferUp, Facebook. They were giving away like these pots right here with soil in them. This right here, I'm going to redo this, spray paint it so it looks newer. But what I was thinking about is, since there was soil in there, I didn't want to waste the soil, so I'm putting it all in this bucket right here, and I'm going to do something with it. I thought of a way to do it so that this could get like the nutrients that a new soil from the big box store would have. But it's going to be way better. So this is the old soil from those two planters right there, but I have 3 more here, so it's going to fill this up. But I'll show you what I'm going to do with it, and I think it's going to be ingenious. Just wait and see. So I'm taking out all the debris from the old soil, like roots and stuff that I don't want to go into my new soil right here. It's not new yet, but it's going to be. Even though, the only thing that I wouldn't want to put in there, like the roots are okay because it's soft, but I'm going to leave out like branches and stuff like that. It's already in there in the bucket. See, like all this big branches, dried up branches. Don't want those. They're kind of dead anyway, so it's not going to be beneficial for me. So then after I take it out here, put it in there, I put these pots in the back where I'm going to wash them out with soap and water, so they're ready for the next plantings, and I will show you the next step. Here's how to tell if your soil is dead. I just sprayed my soil with water right there, thinking, okay, it's absorbing, but see, it's still dry underneath, which means that you need more water. And I'm just going to moisten this up, but not enough so it's soggy, but just enough so it's not so dry. And then I am preparing this soil for the next step. Here is my worm bin. I just fed them, and see this right here, the corn, they love it. And I know even the mango skins right here, there's like 1,000,000 of them just congregating in there. So what my thought is that I'm gonna take just one of the skins, put it in the new bin, and have them just go crazy. And then I would have the whole bin over there fertilizer. I don't know if it's gonna work because I'm not sure what's in that soil right now, but I'm just gonna try. I think it's gonna be fine. I think they're gonna be happy to be segregated on their own new big huge house. So yeah, these are all, see how there's so many of them already, like I have millions. And remember that plant that accidentally got a worm from the worm casting that I put in there? I think it was a baby, and it was in there, and it was just like, my plant just went crazy. I mean, it was just amazing how it grew so much that I had to remove it. So I'm gonna lift this up. Ooh, see all that? See all of them there? And that's just one skin, guys. Okay, I can even just put these. I'm gonna take some and put them here and transfer them over. Don't fall, don't fall. Over here, see? I'm just gonna put them there and let them just live there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get more food and I'm gonna put it on top, just like I'm feeding my other bin. See, they're gonna go crazy. Look at all of them. See, and that's a lot. That's a lot of worms. So I'm gonna go get some more food, put them in there, like I'm feeding my bin, and then they're gonna be happy. I'll show it to you later. Hold on. So I have put the frozen vegetables in here, frozen, because when you freeze vegetables, like the scraps, it breaks down the cells, so it's easier for them to digest. And also another thing that I need to do is to sprinkle some crushed eggshells right here on top, because their stomachs don't have the means to digest, because and so they need the roughage to help it out.
So on top of that, I'm going to put some used coffee grounds. So don't throw away your coffee grinds either, or your eggshells. As you can see, if you guys want to do this like I did, the best thing is for you to recycle everything that you can recycle, and it's just very good for the environment too. Not that it hurts anything, the ecosystem or anything like that, but I mean, if you can use it, why not, right? So I'm just spreading it out and putting it there. That's also going to add some of that roughage for their for their inside, so it's like it breaks down the food because they don't have teeth to chew it and stuff. I forget what it's called, but yeah. And then on top of that, I will sprinkle some steer manure here. You can do steer manure, horse manure. They love the horse manure. Just go ahead and sprinkle it on there, and then later on you're gonna see, like, when all this is chewed up and eaten up, you'll just see them be on top too. So that's when you know to give them some more food. And then so usually after about 4 days, they're probably eaten up everything there, depending on how much worms you have. But to be honest, just a little bit of worm. I started out with 1,000 worms, and now I probably have like 1,000,000. Now that's a little exaggerated, but I just feed them. I put the food different places. So like I would feed them maybe for 3 months on one side, and then when it gets up to the very top, I start feeding them on the other side so that they can all migrate to the other side. Then I can just start digging and taking harvesting everything that's on this side, on one side. So, and then I just flip flop them every other time, and that's it pretty much.
Guys, so here's the end result of the soil that I recycled, and look, I'm getting my my worm castings from there, from this side right here. This is the one that is being fed right now. The worms are feeding right now, but this actually is all worm castings now. Like I have all these are just the skin of the fruit that was there, but look how beautiful. And there's some worms in there too that I'm right now putting into my garden. So whatever goes in my garden gets there, and hopefully they propagate or multiply. But all this, look at this, guys. Look at all this. That was dead soil that is now all fertilizer. You know, it's the fall, so I can fertilize now. It's not. It doesn't get really hot anymore like it used to. It's over. So that's it, guys.